this midterm review, instead of working out the problems, I'm going to be walking you through them to give you an idea of how to do them. And when you're having trouble, you can ask a neighbor or whoever the substitute is to help you with this. So, number 6. A nationwide club begins a chapter near you. You search the membership of the club over the past few decades, and the table shows you data. What is the equation for a line of best fit? How many members would you expect there to be in the year 2024? So a line of best fit. So we know it's going to be a line. And even if we didn't catch that, you can look down here and you see all of these options are linear. Then it asks how many members would there be in 2024. So the first thing we do is go stat edit. And we're going to type the years, the x values in L1, and the membership in L2. You don't have to, but I would start with year 0 here. I would call this year 0 because it's the lowest year. This would be year 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And that's what I would write in my, when I go stat edit in L1. Then in L2, I would type this, all these numbers. Okay, once you've done that, you go to stat, move over to calc, and go down to linreg. Okay, so that will give, once you've chosen that, but before you hit enter, if you have an 83, you can go ahead and do what I'm about to say. If you have an 84, you first need to move down to store reg equation. Then press vars, y vars, function y1. This way when you hit enter or go to calculate and hit enter, it will graph it for you. So we have our equation. It's going to be, it may not be exactly one of these, but it's going to be closer to one of these. So once you've done that, you can find this answer. So go to your window, and we're going to start at 0, so we call this U0, or if you didn't call it 0, you would start at 1980. And you would end at, this would be 44 years after, so we'll say x min is 0, x max is 45, or if you did 1980, your x min would be 1980, and your x max would be 2025. Then you do second trace value, 44 or 2024, and you'll get a number closer to 28 or closer to 18. So whichever one matches what you got closest to, that's what you're going to do. Number 7 is very simple. What is the graph of y equals x minus 3 translated to up 4 units? So you just move it up 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's plus 1. So you're just going to say it's up 1, so I put plus 1. Or you can just say translate up 4 means I add 4 on the outside, so just add 4. And there you go. And this is supposed to be x squared. It's just